Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I am ADRIA. Of course, if you are new here, hey. If you are not new here, hey, hey. So today we're gonna do this wig review. Today I decided that we're going to do an unboxing, first impression, put it on, see how it looks, just straight out the box, no customizing. I do have a spray bottle here with a little water because it's a water wave texture, so I might need to refresh it a little bit. And then of course I'm gonna use this edge booster for the baby hairs that are supposed to be already pre-made, pre-done. Here, ready to get into this wig review. Then keep on watching. The details for the wig will be down in the description box. Alright, so the wig came from Amazon. I ordered this on, I want to say the 13th, and it showed up on the 23rd. So I guess because it took so long to get here, they were just kind of throwing my package around because that's what the box looks like. It's a cute box. I wish they wouldn't have beat it up like this because obviously it matches my hair color. But nonetheless, so the wig today is from Beauty Lumina. It says Beauty Vitality. It's Beauty Lumina. So it's one of these kind of boxes. And then you have the wig. There's one of these cards just giving you information about them, how you can get some money off. The wig comes in this little packaging, which I like these. I feel like if you don't, have wig heads and you just want to, store your wig without, just kind of throwing it to the side, you can put it in here. Oh well, it definitely has the new wig smell, but again, it's not a bad smell. You can just definitely tell it's a new wig. You saw this was inside here, so we take this out. There's a little netting over it. Oh, this should be fun. There's a little netting over it. And then here's the wig. It's okay. So let me tell you the deets on it. It'll be in the description box. It looks like we got some gray hairs in here. Elastic band in here, which I love. It has the adjustable straps in the back. It has the lace in the back too, where you can cut it off and secure it down. You got the comb in the back, and then the combs are inside here as well. The lace 13x4. This is an 8-inch water wave. The baby hairs are present. The pre-pluck looks really good. Look, you can see me through it. So this whole lace looks really good actually. So yes, I'm happy that I braided my hair the way I did because you would definitely be able to see my pink hair through this if I didn't. But I feel like if I have a wig cap on, it would be perfect. It's 8 inches, all right, but it's super cute, right? Wow. Ooh, y'all. Okay, so this is what we're working with straight out the packaging. I actually I haven't secured the combs in because it actually fits really strong. So wow, yeah, this is super short. I'm doing all this and it's shedding a good amount. Let me go cut this lace off and then I'll be back and we'll see if we can style these baby hairs. Hey y'all, so I'm back. All I did was add water to the wig. So this is what it looks like, water wave. I don't want to mess with it too much because it does get frizzy, so I'm thinking I probably need to put like a leave-in conditioner in it or something like that. Pretty curl. You did see that I did brush it out. I combed it out as well after I wet it, thinking that, you know, that would smooth it. But yeah, so this is her 8-inch water wave bob. I'm not used to wigs this short or curly wigs at that, so yeah, the hair is super soft. There is a lot of shedding, but that may just be because of the fact that I did brush it and comb it. But yeah, so first impression, she's alright. For whatever reason, I couldn't find, like, I only found like this amount of baby hairs, and I swear I saw them before I cut the lace, and I looked on my lace and I did not cut any of them off, so they may have just blended in. Additionally, this is not it's not glued down, it's not got to be sprayed down, it's literally just on my head with the combs, and I ended up putting the combs in up here because it was slipping back a little bit, and then the comb underneath isn't in either, and I didn't cut off that lace yet. So yeah, but that's what it is. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down in the comment section. As I mentioned, all the details of this wig will be in my description box, as well as a link to the wig if you want to get the wig. I appreciate you for watching. Talk to you guys later.